Naku po, wait lang, content creator ka, 'di ba? Huwag ka mamili ng suportahan, lahat bakasan mo pag may dumaan na video sa wall mo, proper engagement na 'yan. Let's go. Oops, isang bakas mo sa baba, engagement na 'yan, guys, kaya wag puro scroll. Pansinin natin lahat na dumaan sa newsfeed natin, guys, maliit o malaki. Go, go, go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go.
Just turned into a magical fountain of pineapples and mangoes. This is absolutely incredible. Ladies and gentlemen, we are the creators of Meta, proud overseas foreign workers who are excited to share our journey and hard work with all of you today.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go.